In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Houzz app to design a room, providing you with a full guide for 2025. Whether you're embarking on a major redesign or looking for some inspiration to spruce up your space, Houzz can be a fantastic tool to explore creative ideas and bring them to life right from your phone. Now, let's dive into how you can maximize its use. First up, you'll need to get the app. Simply head over to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play for Android devices. Search for Houzz, download the app, and you'll be set to begin your journey. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll have the option to sign in if you already have an account, or create a new one if you're just getting started. This step is crucial because signing in allows you to save your progress and favorite ideas as you explore. Once you're logged in, it's time to find some design inspiration. On the app's home screen, tap on the Ideas section. Here, you can explore a wide variety of design concepts tailored for different rooms in your home. Whether you're interested in kitchens, bedrooms, or living spaces, you'll find countless ideas to inspire your own unique look. As you scroll through, you'll likely come across concepts that catch your eye. To save these for later, simply tap the heart button, and those ideas will be added to your favorites. After gathering a collection of design ideas, the next step is to organize them. Houzz makes this easy with their Idea Book feature. Simply tap Save when you're viewing an idea and then select Create an Idea Book. This allows you to compile all your favorite concepts into one place, helping you visualize your design project as a cohesive whole. As you're exploring, you might find items you love and want in your design. Whether it's a piece of furniture, a striking light fixture, or some eye-catching decor, the Houzz app has made shopping as integrated as possible. Just tap on the Shop tab to explore an extensive catalog of items. You can purchase directly through the app, allowing you to seamlessly transition from inspiration to acquisition. Finally, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed with the design process or need some professional guidance, the Houzz app can connect you with experts. Tap on Find Professionals to access a network of designers, builders, and other specialists who can help bring your vision to reality. Whether you desire a simple consultation or a complete project overhaul, hiring a pro could be the perfect step to ensure your space is everything you dreamed it could be. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using the Houzz app to design a room. This platform is a wonderful way to blend inspiration, organization, and professional expertise into one seamless design experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!